Hello students, as you all know that we are doing the preparation of alcohol. So far we have finished 4 preparation, 1, 2, 3, 4. In 1 we prepare from alkene by 3 different methods, number 2 from alkyl halide, number 3 from reduction of carbonyl compounds, and number 4 by converting amine to alcohol. Now which is very important. Now we go to number 5, that is from Grignard reagent. And this reaction is also very important. Okay, this reaction to prepare alcohol from Grignard reagent is also very important. So let us see how to prepare alcohol from Grignard reagent. One thing you remember, as I said you earlier, for primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol we have to learn one preparation and taste. I said you in my previous videos, and in that video after that video I have taught you the test for primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, and that is done by Lucas test. Lucas test I have said you, but preparation we have not done for primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. So do remember, we can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent. Therefore, it is very important, and one question has come in your board exam sample paper also. That question we'll discuss later. Okay, so you can see out here, students. Grignard reagent is required. From Grignard reagent we can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, which is very important. And that we prepare by reacting Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketone. So when aldehyde or ketone reacts with Grignard reagent, that is the symbol of Grignard reagent is RMGX, followed by acid hydrolysis. Acid hydrolysis means acid means H plus, hydrolysis means water. So the notation for acid hydrolysis is H plus water, or you can write it as H3O plus. H3O plus, both means acid hydrolysis. But in acid hydrolysis, do remember H plus is a medium. It will not take part in the reaction. Only water will take part and gives primary, secondary and tertiary alcohol. That is 1 degree, 2 degree and 3 degree alcohol. So always remember, we can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent by reacting with aldehyde ketone. Okay, followed by acid hydrolysis. These are the two notation for it, in which only water takes part in the reaction. And the general formula of Grignard reagent is RMGX. R can be methyl. Usually we take methyl only, CH3. Mg is Mg, and this can be chlorine, bromine, iodine. You can take chlorine, bromine or iodine. But usually we prefer iodine because the reactivity of iodine is more because of its larger atomic size. After that, bromine reactivity, then chloride. So usually we take iodine, but you can take bromine and iodine also. Now let us see how to prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent followed by acid hydrolysis by reacting with aldehyde ketone. You can see the first one, HCHO. H is called formaldehyde, which can be written as HCHO, and this H is here, C double bond O is here, then this H is here. And since here is one carbon, so we write methane, and for aldehyde we write al. So formaldehyde another name is methanol. Formaldehyde another name is methanol, the IUPAC name. So if you replace this H from it and put CH3 in place of that, if you replace H from here and put CH3, then that becomes acetaldehyde, whose formula is CH3 CHO, and there are two carbons, so we call ethane. For aldehyde we write Al, ethanol. So formaldehyde IUPAC name is methanol, acetaldehyde IUPAC name is ethanol. HCHO means formaldehyde. If you replace this H with CH3, it becomes acetaldehyde. So these two are the aldehyde from where we're going to prepare alcohol. So what I did, I made formaldehyde, remove this H and put CH3, it becomes acetaldehyde. Now again you replace this H with also CH3. Okay, we're going to replace that H also with CH3. So you can see here I replace H with CH3, I got acetaldehyde. Now I'm going to replace this H also with CH3. So CH3 CO double bond CO CH3 it will be, and this compound is known by the name acetone. And acetone is also known by the name propanone 2. There are 3 carbons, so we write propane. For ketone we write on, and ketone is in number 2 place, so we write propanone 2. Or simply you can say it as propanone. Okay, for ketone, if there is no number mentioned, means ketone always starts from 2. So propanone and propanone 2 means same. The IUPAC name, common name is acetone. So remember the formula formaldehyde, remove H, put CH3. Remove H, put CH3, you get formaldehyde, acetaldehyde, acetone. IUPAC name methanol, ethanol and propanone 2. And the other formula of acetone is front back CH3, in the middle CO. This is also acetone. Now to all this aldehyde, these two aldehyde and ketone, acetone is a ketone, we're going to react with Grignard reagent RMGX, 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 in which X I have taken is as iodine and R is your methyl and Mg is Mg. So this is the particular example of Grignard reagent, and the name of this compound is methyl magnesium iodide, methyl magnesium iodide. If you take a bromine, methyl magnesium bromide. If you take a chlorine, methyl magnesium chloride. But I have taken iodine because it's high reactivity. After that is bromine, then chloride. So this is your Grignard reagent. So when you do so, double bond will break into single bond. Everything I have written same, HCHO. Double bond I made it single bond. Why? To remember, between carbon and oxygen, oxygen is more electronegative. Therefore, it will pull the electron of carbon towards itself. So whereby double bond will become single bond, and this is gaining electron, it will develop negative charge. It is losing electron, it will develop positive charge. The same thing is happening out here also. Double bond becomes single bond, oxygen will gain the electron, oxygen becomes negative, carbon becomes positive. Same thing will happen here also. Double bond will become single bond, oxygen will gain the electron, becomes negative, carbon will become positive. So I am teaching you this reaction not horizontally, but we are learning it vertically. Two aldehyde and ketone reacted with Grignard reagent, so you get this. Double bond will break into single bond because oxygen is more negative. Now from this Grignard reagent, this CH3 will go to C. CH3 will go to C, and the remaining part Mgi will go to O. Here also the same thing happen. This CH3 will go to C, remaining part will go to O, and you get additive compound. So two compounds are fused together to give you one. Therefore this compound is called additive compound. Here also CH3 will go to C, and remaining part will go to O, and we get additive compound in all the three cases. So we reacted aldehyde ketone with Grignard reagent, so we got additive compound. Now followed by acid hydrolysis. Now we have to do acid hydrolysis, right? So when you do acid hydrolysis, only water will take part in the reaction, and which can be broken down into HOH. H plus will not take part, okay? Only water will take part in reaction, so HOH. Now see here, this CH3 is here, you can see. This CH2 is here, students. So this CH3 is here, CH2 is here, and this O is here. CH3, CH2, then this O is here. Now in place of Mgi, water H will go. This H will come here. In place of Mgi, water H will go. So if water H will go there, what will be left here? OH. What will be left here? OH, which is here from water. That will combine with Mgi and forms MgOHI, and this compound is known by the name magnesium hydroxyl iodide. Magnesium hydroxyl iodide. Okay. Now here also the same thing happens. When you do acid hydrolysis, only water will take part, HOH. So this CH3 is here, you can see. This CH is here, you can see. Okay. This CH3 is here. Okay, this should not be here. CH3 is your acetaldehyde. So yes, this here has to be CH3, sorry. Okay, this CH3 is here, this CH is here, and this CH3 you can keep it this side, because CH3 will go to C. So CH3 is here, this CH is here, this CH3 is here. Now this O is up, I can make it down also, no issue. Now here is Mgi. In place of Mgi, what will go? Water H will go. So this H will come in place of Mgi, and this OH will go with Mgi to form MgOHI, magnesium hydroxyl iodide. Name has been already stated here. Hope so you all understood. Now the third one. Now here also when you do acid hydrolysis, who will only take part? Water will take part. Water can be written as HOH. So this CH3 is here, C is here, this CH3 is here. Now I'll take this CH3 up. You can keep it down also, no issue. I'm taking it up. And this OMGI I'll take it down, in which I have written only O. Now in place of this Mgi, water what will go? H. Water H will come here in place of Mgi. And this water OH will go with Mgi to form magnesium hydroxyl iodide. If you have taken here chlorine, you could have got magnesium hydroxyl chloride. If you have taken here bromine, you could have magnesium hydroxyl chloride. Okay, but here I have taken iodine, so we are getting magnesium hydroxyl iodide. Now we got the alcohols. Now look out here. Here OH is linked with CH2, so it's primary alcohol. Here OH is linked with CH, it is secondary alcohol. Here OH is linked with C, so it's tertiary alcohol. So we got primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol out here, students. Primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol we got by reacting Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketone. So when aldehyde ketone reacts with Grignard reagent, we get an additive compound which on acid hydrolysis will give primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol. This is how we prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol, and this is in the syllabus along with the test which we have already finished, that is Lucas test. Now the name of this compound. CH3CH2 is called ethyl, OH means alcohol, IUPAC name ethane, 2 carbon, ethane, ol. This compound is called isopropyl alcohol. Remember the formula, it's very important. Since it is a secondary alcohol, so we even call sec propyl alcohol. Now the IUPAC name, 3 carbon propane, alcohol ol into, so propanol 2. Last one, this is OH link with C is called tertiary, therefore it is tertiary. This T stands for tertiary. There are 4 carbons, so butyl alcohol. So this is called T-butyl alcohol, means tertiary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name, longest carbon chain 1, 2, 3. Into methyl is hanging, so write 2 methyl for 3 carbon propane, ol 2, because alcohol is in 2. So this is how we prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent by reacting aldehyde ketone followed by acid hydrolysis. And remember this reaction properly, students, and it is very important. So one question from here, it has been asked somewhat like this in sample paper. Sample paper question I'm going to say. Acetone, when reacts with methyl magnesium chloride, instead of iodine, it has been mentioned chloride. Okay, followed by hydrolysis gives 4 options was there: sec butyl alcohol, sec propyl alcohol, butyl alcohol, T-butyl alcohol. So the answer will be T-butyl alcohol, you can see. So similarly, such question can be made from here also, here also. So you have to remember this reaction by heart. Now I'll show you the same reaction in shortcut way. Now students, I'm showing you the same reaction in shortcut way. So look out here. This is your formaldehyde. Remove H, put CH3. Becomes acetaldehyde. Remove this H, put CH3. It becomes acetone. So formaldehyde, acetaldehyde is aldehyde, acetone is ketone, and we can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol by reacting with Grignard reagent, RMGX, 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 followed by acid hydrolysis. And another way of writing acid hydrolysis is this way also, but only water takes part. Okay, and in this shortcut way, I've taken different halogen: iodine, bromine, chlorine, methyl magnesium iodide, methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium chloride, but all three are same. Just we have used different halogen. Now in the shortcut, what we do? First write this CH2. Okay, CH2, then write O. Always remember this CH3 of Grignard reagent will go to C always. And you know water means HOH. So water H will come here. Water H will come here. Now from water what is left? OH. And from Grignard reagent what is left? MgI. So you get magnesium hydroxyl iodide as the byproduct. And this is your ethyl alcohol, IUPAC name ethanol, which is a primary alcohol. Now here, again when you react with Grignard reagent, first write this compound acetaldehyde. Like this CH3, CH, drop the O down, it will not die. Bring this O down. Now this CH3 of Grignard reagent will always go to C. From water take H and put out here. From water what is left? OH is left. That you write here, and that goes with MgBr. And the byproduct which you get out here is magnesium hydroxyl bromide. And this compound is called isopropyl alcohol, sec propyl alcohol, and since OH is linked with CS, it is called secondary alcohol. Now the third one, again this one acetone, this compound is called acetone. So write like this: CH3COCH3. I have again dropped this O down: CH3, C double single bond O, CH3. Now to C always who will go from Grignard reagent? CH3 will go. And from water, like here, from water take H here. So from water what is left? OH. That will go with MgCl this time to form magnesium hydroxyl chloride. To form magnesium hydroxyl chloride, students. Okay, and this compound is called T-butyl alcohol or 2-methyl-propanol 2, and since OH is linked with C, it is tertiary alcohol. So we can prepare primary, secondary, tertiary alcohol from Grignard reagent by reacting with aldehyde ketone followed by acid hydrolysis. This is the shortcut of the previous reaction. Okay, so you can remember both, and remember this for the objective question. When acetone reacts with Grignard reagent, it may be chloride, bromide, iodide given here, followed by hydrolysis. What you get? T-butyl alcohol. When acetaldehyde is done, so you get secondary alcohol, that is isopropyl alcohol. And when you do the same thing with formaldehyde, you get ethyl alcohol. So many objective question can be made from it. So it is very, very important. 100% sure question. Out of these three, one may be asked. So please learn properly. So by this, we come to the end of the preparation of alcohol. So we did total 5 preparation of alcohol, students. And in all 5 preparation of alcohol is very, very important, students. Okay, give utmost important to the preparation number 4 from amine, preparation number 5 from Grignard reagent. So out of 5, these two are very important, preparation number 4 and 5. So we have finished the preparation. Now in our next class, we'll learn the physical property of alcohol along with its chemical property. Then we move on in the syllabus. Okay, after finishing physical and chemical property of alcohol, then we cannot directly go to the phenol. We have to learn how to convert one alcohol to another alcohol, which is in the syllabus. So I'll teach you how to convert one form of alcohol to another form of alcohol. Then we'll proceed further. Okay, thank you very much. Please take the screenshot to make notes.